So far, I've taken a 13.24% hit, but I've managed to outperform TQQQ by 10%. Hey everyone, welcome to Million Dollar SIP, where I'm documenting my real-time journey of growing my portfolio from $0 to $1 million in 10 years using a hybrid SIP strategy. Today is day 10, and I'll take you through my investment decision, trade execution, and performance update. The first step in my strategy is to determine how much to invest for the day. I follow a fixed weekly investment limit where I invest $750 during an uptrend and $1,000 during a downtrend, following a 2:3 ratio. The number of units I buy varies based on market conditions, but I always stay within this weekly limit. To decide how many units to buy, I check the previous day's price action on the 1-day time frame, and according to the rules, if both the opening price and closing price are above the 12 EMA, I buy 2 units, and if both the opening price and closing price are below the 12 EMA, or if either the opening price or closing price are below the 12 EMA, I buy 3 units. Looking at yesterday's daily candle, I found that both the opening price and closing price are below the 12 EMA. Since both the conditions were met, my rule says I should buy 3 units today. Once I decide how many units to buy, the next step is to determine my entry point. I switch to a 5-minute time frame and wait for the price to dip below the 12 EMA and then bounce back above it before entering. At 8:55, TQQQ dipped below the 12 EMA, and by 9:20, it bounced back above following a clear confirmation. Since my strategy requires a confirmed breakout, I entered my trade at 9:20, buying 3 units at $75.60, investing $227. Now looking at today's performance, TQQQ fell by 8.6% today, confirming a strong downtrend. Friday's price action was a consolidation phase before this sharper decline. Since I started this journey, my total investment so far is $2,100. By the end of the day, TQQQ closed at $70, bringing my total market value of holdings to $1,822. My average price per unit is currently $80.7. My net loss so far is $278, translating to a loss percentage of 13%. Since I started this strategy, TQQQ has dropped by 23%, but my portfolio is down only 13%, meaning I have outperformed TQQQ by 10% so far. This approach of strategic averaging down and adjusting position sizes allows me to mitigate losses more effectively compared to a simple buy and hold strategy in TQQQ. That wraps up day 10 of my investment journey. I'll continue sharing daily updates, and at the end of each week, I'll post a weekly performance summary to analyze my overall progress. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along to see how this journey unfolds. See you in the next video.